Hi, I'm Steve, the HVAC Technical Lead at Reece. Today, I'm here to take you through some installation and troubleshooting tips for Refco condensate pumps, which are most commonly used with split system air conditioners and can be used with other air conditioning systems. With some simple maintenance, the Refco pumps are a straightforward operation. Refco condensate digital sensors can be mounted either horizontally or vertically. Using the double-sided tape provided will ensure the sensor stays in position. Be sure to check for correct installation of both pump and digital sensors. This is vital to the correct operation of your Refco condensate pump. Immediately on initial power up, the pump will have an LED start sequence flashing 5 times. From there, the pump will go into standby, flashing green. This is normal operation. If the LED lights are not lit, check the incoming voltage and internal fuse located in the internal pump housing. I will now talk through the common faults that may be found with your Refco condensate pump. Fault 1. The pump is constantly running. The filter may be misplaced. Ensure the water filter is not in direct contact with the digital sensor. Check the digital sensor for any dirt or debris. If the sensor is dirty, clean with a damp cloth to ensure all dirt and debris has been removed. There may be a blockage present. If so, inspect your drain line for clogs or any line restrictions. If your pump appears to be underperforming, change the dip switch power setting to increase the pump capacity. It is important to note, for the correct operation, all tubing connections must be firmly pressed on all connection barbs. Fault 2. The AC unit is not running. If the LED light is solid red and alarm wiring is connected, the alarm relay is intentionally stopping the AC to prevent water overflow and causing damage. Ensure the alarm cable is correctly installed. Fault 3. Water is dripping. The drain line may be blocked, kinked or clogged, causing the pump to overflow. Check hose connections and ensure supplied cable ties have been installed. Fault 4. The pump is noisy. Check filter placement to ensure the water is not unnecessarily touching the digital sensor, causing the pump to run dry. Ensure filter and digital sensors are clean. Fault 5. Slurping or gurgling sounds during operation. If the drain line extends below the level of the pump, when the pump shuts down, the weight of the water remaining in the drain will create a siphon effect. This will suck water away from the pump, causing it to start and run dry until reprimed with water. Reposition your drain to the correct height. Fault 6. Alarm LED is activated. If the alarm relay has been installed and the LED indicates solid red, the pump may have too much incoming water. Once the water level gets too high, the digital sensor will trip the alarm relay and stop power to the AC system. Check the drain, as it may be blocked. It could also be kinked or pinched, however, this is more unlikely. Also ensure the correct power setting has been selected. The maintenance cycle recommendation for your Refco condensate pump is every 12 months. If your pump is installed in a commercial application or environments with high dust, smoke, cooking oils or potential algae growth, increase your maintenance cycle to every 3 months. Hopefully these tips have been helpful for the correct operation of your Refco condensate pump. And of course, for any further guidance, please contact your local Reece, Metalflex or Actrol branch and they'll be happy to assist further.